Welcome to the free spirits and creative souls. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of boho style recycling with bottles. Yes, those simple glass or plastic bottles that often get thrown away can be transformed into magical decor pieces, functional art, and soulful creation. In today's journey, I will take you through ideas, inspiration, pictures, tips, and that will spark your creativity mind and help you bring that warm, earthy, and artistic bohemian vibe into your home. Bohemian decor is all about freedom, individuality, and connection with nature. Recycling bottles into boho crafts isn't just about saving the planet. It's about telling a story with every piece you create. Each bottle holds a chance to express your artistic side, to reuse instead of waste, and to design something that feels both personal and sustainable. Let's start with something simple yet stunning. Boho bottles fastest. Take a tall glass bottles, wrap it with jute twine, macrame cords, or colorful threads. Add beads, feather, or shells, and suddenly that plain bottle become a rustic bohemian vase. Place a dried pampas stem, wildflowers, or even fairy lights inside, and you have created a centerpiece that radiates warmth. Another beautiful idea is turning bottles into candles holder, but cut the bottle carefully or simply use it as it is, wrapping the base with burlap. Place or crochet, place a candle on top or inside, and watch the flickering glow dance and your boho texture. It's cozy, earthy, and absolutely perfect for a relaxed evening. Boho loves hanging element. You can recycle bottle into hanging decor pieces. Wrap the neck of the bottle with macrame. Attach a loop and hang it with your window. Drop in fresh herbs, small flowers, or even fairy lights. The sunlight will pass through the glass and create beautiful reflection, turning your space into a dreamy boho nook. Unleash your creativity with painted bottles. Use earthy tones, terracotta, olive green, mustard yellow, or go bold with mandala designs and tribal patterns. You don't need to be a professional artist. Even simple brush strokes, dots, and lines give a bottle a soul. Those painted bottles can stand on a shelf, work as planter, or become thoughtful handmade gifts. One of the most beautiful ways to recycle bottles is by turning them into mini planters. Cut the bottle horizontally, add soil and style recycling and bottles. Yes, those simple glass or plastic bottles that often get thrown away can be transformed into magical decor ideas, which is shown in pictures. You can make it at home by your mind, by the artisans, functional art, and soulful creation. In today's journey, we will take through ideas, inspiration, and tips that will spark your creativity and help you bring that warm, earthy, and artistic bohemian vibe into your home. Bohemian decor is all about freedom, individuality, and connection with nature. Recycling bottles into boho crafts isn't just about saving the planet, it's about telling a story with every piece you create. Each bottle holds a chance to express your artistic side, to reuse instead of waste, and to design something that feels both personal and sustainable. Let's start something simple yet stunning. Boho bottle vases. Take a tall glass bottle, wrap it into jute twine, macrame cords or colorful threads, add beads, feather or shell, and suddenly that plain bottle become a rustic bohemian vase. Place a third pamper, stem, wildflowers, and even fairy lights inside, and we have created a centerpiece that radiates warmth. One of the most beautiful way to recycle bottles is by turning them into mini planters. Cut the bottles horizontally, add soil and plant succulent or herbs. Decorate the outer part with jute or fabric scraps. Have you got yourself a boho garden in bottles? Place them on your balcony, windowsill, or desk and let nature flow into your everyday soil. When working with recycled bottle, remember boho style is about imperfection and layering. Don't worry if the twine isn't perfectly straight or if the paint has uneven texture. That's the beauty of bohemian decor. Mixed colors, mixed texture, mixed material, combined lace with wood, feathers and beads, glass and fabric. The more soulful and electric, the better. Thank you for joining me in this journey of boho bottle recycling. If you feel inspired, pick up a bottle today and give it a new life. Until next time, keep creating, keep using and